Damage check, boys.
Wait, kasi. Magpa-GA po ba ako ba?
Zakari, you don't need to go out, ah. D-tank, I don't see you to go
May
out.
nakubok meter. Baka west side.
Come southwest, southwest. Walk southwest. Keep walking southwest, don't mount up. Keep walking southwest. Keep walking southwest, okay?
Basta lang.
Only one. Zakari pa, tignan nga niya. Everyone come southwest.
Wala. Nag-pull.
Everyone come southeast na. Everyone come southeast.
Nag-pull.
Ready.
Regrouping pa.
Laki na nila, Kirigyo pa rin.
Pupunta west.
Ikaw, yes.
Rookies here. Nagpabong.
Everyone southwest, everyone southwest, everyone southwest. Take space northeast, boys. Take space northeast, okay? Give me info on the gate. Okay. Everyone food check also, food check also.
54 first.
Everyone food check also.
Green ata yung color, green. Mark it up, baby.
Take two. Take ready, engage me. 3, 2, 1. No. Good. Tambak pas. Connect C, tambak. Good. CD. Keep CD. Tell me CD. CD.
Looking.
5. Engage me. South on the gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Go. Bagal. DPS. Go. Yo. Hold. Go second floor. Northeast. Go second northeast. Push. Keep going northeast. Go. Keep going northeast, boys. Keep going northeast. Ready? Over the wall. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. Over the wall now. Damage. Good. Come back fast. Help front, okay? Help front. Keep healing. Help front. Help duga. Help. Yan eh. Good. Tell me CD. Okay, over the wall again, wait.
Lang. Tuldan pa. Low.
Okay. On the door. Okay.
Part mo.
On the door, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, door. Good, come back fast. Help front, okay? CD fast. CD kayo.
Nakota. Yo, from QW sa door. Looking.
Tell me CD.
Ready.
Yeah, just start. Over the wall, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Come back fast. Come back, okay? Come back. CD fast. Wait. CD. Wala, yun up. Hindi namatay, wala. Okay, yo, help duga.
Tuldan. 5 lay red. Ready.
Over the wall, ready? Over the wall, southwest, okay? Good.
Pulling ha. Ano, lalabas ka ba? Another blob.
Okay. Just hold.
Ayan mo muna yan. Paglaban ito.
Ano blob yan?
Ball dito. Posible ball dito. Check ko.
Turning southeast to Lucas ha. Turning southeast.
Everyone southeast. Walk southeast.
Southeast sila.
Dumana.
Keep going southeast.
Medyo di tayo, sabi.
Ready? On the door, ready? Wait. Over the wall east, ready? Okay. Engage me. 3, 2, 1. No. Good damage, push ka ba? Keep healing. Heal. Good. CD pass. CD pass.
Al dito, low.
CD pass. Wait. Okay.
Ready.
Yeah, engage on the door. Wait. East on the door. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East on the door now. Damage. Now fast. Go second floor, boys. Everyone go second floor. Same floor. Wala naman tayo, guys. Second floor. Madlad. Ready? Everyone. Second floor. Stay. Look over the wall, okay? Zakari pa. Look ako ng southwest side.
Broken na.
Okay. Yo, over the wall ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over the wall now. Over the wall. Damage, please. Delete.
Na sila
BT,
dito.
come.
Dito na sa west, tama dito west.
Okay.
Box na second floor.
Okay, come here. Everyone come to the middle. Come here.
West rin, ha?
CD. Over the wall, west side, wait.
Okay lang yan. Wag lang
Over
kayo
the wall,
magpaas.
west side, 3, 2, 1, west side na, west side. Good damage guys. Come back. Go deep, okay? Come back. Right down.
Lukay.
Pene out, talaga Tell me CD boys fast. CD. Okay. Over the wall again, ready? 3, 2, 1, over the wall now. Damage. Can you execute? Come back. Pene, di mo kailangan mag-deep. Come back.
May bid siya. Say.
Bahal niya ito.
Wait, ilan niya sa gabi nakatayo na sa
Nyeta. Okay.
May bid siya.
Everyone come south. Click south. Click south fast. Click south fast. Hey, hold. Come back. 20 seconds. Third. No, pick. Go second floor. Everyone second floor. Third floor. No. Engage me. Ready. 3, 2, 1. No.
Mag-engage west, ha?
Good. Come back. Everyone go. Lord room. Lord room. Everyone.
Pwede ka mag-hold dito para
Careful south.
i-add.
Yo. Everyone go. Turn around. Go. Lord room. Then go west. Look Maldito. Yeah. Look Maldito. Ready. Over the wall. Maldito. 3, 2, 1. This tank. Come back. Go Lord room. Everyone Lord room. Tayo na.
37 seconds, east side.
Come Lord room. Everyone Lord room. Everyone Lord room. Come to narrow. Everyone come to narrow.
Yo, basag na.
Come to narrow fast. Walk. Lock south, okay? Lock south, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Come back fast. D-tank do your job, okay? D-tank do your job. Keep feeding. Do your job, D-tank. Keep feeding. Go. Keep, go Lord room. Everyone Lord room. Pass. Everyone pass. Good to go. Ready, turn now. Turn. Ready, engage me. 3, 2, 1. No. Come Lord room. Okay.
Nandito yung color nila sa southeast.
Reset ako battlemount.
Sige.
They pulling guard.
Okay. Wait. Ready? City. Tell me city. Yo, everyone don't follow me. Just hold in the... Over the wall, southeast. Ready? Over the wall, southeast. 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Good. Come back fast. Kill my front, okay? Don't leave my front. Nice, guys. Kill my front. Bad guy. Come back now. Lord room. Everyone, Lord room. Oh my god. Did you see me over the wall, guys? Here. Kita nyo ako dito, da? Over the wall tayo, ha? Wait. Kasi engage lang kayo sa akin. Abot yan. Trust me. James Lee, dun lang sa Lord room. Over the wall, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. No, come back fast. Yo, help my front, Lota. Help my front. Di pa. Fucking hell. Heal. Go narrow. Scrum. Hirap kalaban ng Loki. Scrum. Try to out, guys. Hirap. Dalawa lang stopper ko na wala si Budget. Wala na akong
Ang lambot. Like na po. Sumunto.
Nakay ka kasi. Lambot naman sobra.
Trash talk. Oh, yun.
Patay ako.
Grabe nga, no?
Nabud ako.
Dahil
Okay kaya?
Ni-rape.
nung timing dun sa pagtalungan ko, ay hindi na naman.
May buong pati ako.
Yes, nila ano.
Hindi madilim.
O, palitin ang boots na naman tayo.
Bubo yung maldito siya na nilikod yung kwan. Bubudak talaga. Nag-focus sa atin yung pagte natin. Doon sa atin nag-focus eh.
Hindi yun nag-anhold. Inuna talaga Wicker. Wicker Zerg, inuna.
Oo nga.
Mali tayo eh. Buhay na naman ang quality world.
Except if you die. We'll see the same.
Pinapatay pala ako sa wall dito.
Dagatay.
May napatay si James Lee, dalawa eh. Ang taas ng flame nung isa eh. Ayun, 2M, 2.8M.
Tignan mo na lang sa report. Linggo na ito. na lang either.
Grabe yung ano nila, yung guard run. So, yung
Note ka na lang either kung gaano ko kalupit.
patingin.
Yung hindi patay 8.3 longbow nila. Sana nabasag.
Ang sakit din ng spike, dalawa.
Pag-review.
Yeah.
So wala sa play.
Look, please, podcast.
Ano, play?
Play. Ang tigas nila. Nakakaasar. Wala kasi spec, no?
Sorry.